In our last video, we cruised up the mountain to Big Bear Lake in the San Bernardino National Forest. We walked around the cute little village, ate lots of amazing food, had some great beer, and then we tried to figure out where all the water went in the lake. From there, we take the short drive to Lake Arrowhead. In my opinion, a much more beautiful lake. We walked around the village, taking in the beautiful lake views. And we're taking you with us to see it all. We're Marlene and Tomas, and this is Passports.
I'm bored to death on the job. I'm sick of walking.
We're on our way now to Arrowhead Lake. And we're driving now on Rim of the World Road. It just drives on the edge of the mountain. It's really, really beautiful.
Oh, God, I need some fast relief. So, hey, baby, please, now won't you tell me you feel the same and you want someone to turn it all around and let you free. Now it's us. Let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright. Let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright.
We're looking at the little steamboat coming in. This is Lake Arrowhead. It's really much, much prettier and nicer than Big Bear Lake. This is a really nice village here in Arrowhead. It's right on the water and you can walk along their little teeny promenade. It goes almost around the whole lake and it's beautiful, and they haven't lost any of their water. And this is a private lake owned by all of the people in the community, actually. And if you don't want to drive all the way up to Big Bear, it's about 53 minutes from Big Bear City. And it's about maybe 10 or 15 minutes from Running Springs, which is a cute little town also. It has a little teeny village and a couple of good places to eat. So it's a really nice day trip too, if you wanted. It's about an hour and a half from Orange County, so it's real nice.
I'm bored to death on the job. I'm sick of walking this dog. It's like I live in a fog. Tonight I want something new. I feel the need to get rude. I'm tired of watching the tube.
Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.